Hi everybody! In this video, I'm going to be going over the notes for lesson 4.2. This lesson is about solutions to equations. Sometimes an equation is missing a number. We use letters to represent the missing number. In this case, x is the variable. It is the missing number. A solution is a number that makes the equation true. In this problem, x is the missing number. X equals 3 is the solution because 3 plus 2 equals 5. Today, we will check whether a number is or is not a solution. First, we will substitute the number into the equation. Then we will check if the left and right side are equal. Here's an example. X plus 5 equals 11 if x equals 8. X is 8. So I will substitute parentheses 8 and then copy plus 5 equals 11. Now I will check the left side. On my calculator, I get 13. Then I will copy. 13 does not equal 11. So 8 is not a solution. For problem 2, here is x, the variable. Check to see if x is 32. First, I will substitute parentheses 32 and then copy minus 7 equals 15. Now I will type in the left side. "32 minus 7 is 25. Then I will copy down the equals and the 15. 25 does not equal 15. So this is not a solution. Next, here is my variable x. Here is my number, 80. First, I will substitute 4 parentheses 80 equals 360. I will type in the left side on my calculator. 4 multiplied by 80 is 320. And I will copy. These are not equal, so I will say that this is not a solution. Next, here is my variable and here is my number. First, I will substitute parentheses 600 divided by 8 copy the equals 75. Now I will type this in on my calculator. I get 75. Then I will copy. This is equal. This is a solution. For number 5, here is my variable, here is my x. First, I will substitute. 185 equals parentheses 176 plus 9. This time, the right side will get calculated. We get 185. These are equal, so we say solution. Number 6. Here is my variable. Here is my number. First, I will copy. Then I will substitute. Then I will type in the right side on my calculator. I get 260, and I will copy. These are not equal, so we will say not a solution. Number 7. Here is my variable. Here is my value. First, I will copy. 180 equals 8 parentheses 25. Now I will type in the right side. 8 times 25 is 200. These are not equal, so we will say not a solution. Number 8. Here is my variable, here is my value. First, I will copy the 16 equals, now I will substitute. Now I will type in the right side. 512 divided by 32 is 16. These are equal, so we will say solution. For number 9, here is my variable, here is my value. First, I will substitute 3 parentheses 10 plus 11 equals 63. I will type in the left side on my calculator. I get 63. Then I will copy. 63 does equal 63, so we will say this is a solution. For problem 10, here is my variable, here is my value. 5 equals negative parentheses and then 15 minus 10. On the right side, I will type this in. And I get negative 5. Then I will copy. 5 does not equal negative 5. So I will say this is not a solution. Number 11. Here is my variable, here is my value. -4 parentheses 14 plus 5 equals -50. I will type in the left side. When I do that, I get -51 equals -50. These are not equal, so I will say this is not a solution. Last but not least, here is my x, here is my number. 18 equals 2 parentheses 7 plus 4. I will type in the right side, and I get 18, and then I will copy. 18 equals 18, so I will say this is a solution. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please try your practice.